friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow. This is my first time I am using this Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow, so I'm gonna give it a try. So let's get started. Using it for the first time, so now I have applied it onto my lid area. Now I'm going to use this pack eyeshadow, and I'm using this brown, dark brown brick color shade. I hope it works. And same shade I will apply to my lower lash line. So now I'm going to deepen the crease with this shade, with this little bit darker shade. I'm taking it and just applying it to my outer corner and to the crease, just to give it a more depth. You can mix black shade, black and these two together. Take time to blend. And apply the same shade to your lower lash line. So it's done. So now I'm going to take this lightest shade in the palette and just going to merge everything together. So here are my eyes, but I don't know, it's kind of wide away from my eye, or maybe I have applied it in a wrong way. Maybe it's possible, so I'm going to apply it again. But its glitter is like going everywhere. I'm using this shade to highlight my jawbone. So yeah, our eyes are done. So now I'm going to apply the eyeliner. Yeah, it's NYC eyeliner. So I'm going to apply. So eyeliner is done. Now I'm going to use my Note mascara. Applying thick layer of mascara to my lashes. It's one of my favorite mascara. It just coat your lashes like you have applied your falsies. So mascara is done. I'm going to apply my colossal kajal to my lash line. Now I'm going to smudge it with black eyeshadow, using Wet n Wild's black eyeshadow. Just kajal so that it does not run away. Almost done. We'll apply gel eyeliner to this corner of my eye to just fill in the gap. I'm using here Blue Heavens eyeliner, gel eyeliner. Yeah, it's done. Now I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes with this shimmer shade. So yeah, here's the final look, and now I'm going to choose my lipstick. Let me see what I say. I love this lip shade, so I don't know if I'm going to change this or leave it like this. So I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please hit the like button and do share my video and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye, love you guys. Mwah.